Hi there, Doc Davis, orthopedic spine specialist. Today I'm going to go through the most Googled questions about neck pain. Why does my neck hurt? There's a lot of different reasons why your neck can hurt, from things such as an old sports injury, a muscle strain from working too hard in the yard, arthritis where you have worn out discs in your neck, a pinched nerve can cause neck pain, and even stress. If you're having a hard time at school or work, it certainly can make your neck muscles hurt. Almost always, neck pain will be self-limited and won't last very long. As long as the pain isn't going on for several weeks, it's okay to live with it and try to do things to treat it on your own, such as putting ice on your neck or taking anti-inflammatory medication such as Aleve or ibuprofen. If your neck pain's been going on too long, it's time to see someone like me. Why does my neck crack when I turn my head? If you're like me and I see a cute dog walking past in the park and I quickly turn my head, of course my neck's gonna crack. But on a serious note, there are some reasons why you might experience cracking in your neck. And almost always it's nothing to be concerned about, and it's not something that needs medical attention. A cause of cracking in your neck is a stretching or pulling of the facet joint, which is a little bony structure in your back of the neck, similar to a knuckle joint. When the facet joint in the back of your neck gets stretched when you twist and turn, sometimes it'll make a cracking sound as the covering of the joint gets stretched. That's normal and nothing to worry about. Why does my neck feel tight? The most common cause of your neck feeling tight is the muscles are literally contracting and locking up. As we age, or if we have discs in our neck between the bones starting to wear out, they don't absorb shock as well, and then our neck muscles have to absorb the strain. Why does my neck itch? Let's go over some of the more common reasons why your neck could itch. Did you get bit by a mosquito? Is the tag in your shirt rubbing? Did I roll around in poison ivy? There probably isn't a good spine explanation for your neck itching. Go see a dermatologist. Why does my neck hurt when I swallow? What did you just eat or drink? Do you chew your food before you swallow? Maybe you're chugging what you drink. Maybe you're pouring it straight down the hatch. There may be an explanation for your neck hurting when you swallow. Occasionally, when you get arthritis in your neck, you can get a big bone spur pushing on the esophagus, which will make it painful or difficult to swallow. Sometimes as we age, as we get more arthritis in our neck and the spine starts to collapse, it can actually make your esophagus collapse, making food harder to pass through. Rest assured, almost always if you're having pain or difficulty swallowing, it's not related to your neck. But if it is noticeable or goes on for an extended period of time, you should be seen, but not by a spine surgeon. If you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions about your neck and back, please drop your comments below.